Welcome back.
How's it going? It's good to see you.
So good to see you. We're in the same clothes.
We're trying to conserve water. It's important. Save the environment in the rainforest.
Okay, we're back. We're making creamy shrimp jalapeno poppers. That's what we're making.
Creamy shrimp jalapeno poppers.
Yes. So you're like, creamy shrimp, what does that mean? So we've taken raw shrimp and we have diced them up and put it into cream cheese.
8 ounces of cream cheese, softened, melted.
Melted.
Mix them all up.
Indeed.
You have a delicious mixture here.
And so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take this nice knife here and take this jalapeno pepper and we're gonna start stuffing these with cream cheese. Stay tuned for what comes next. So now that we have our jalapenos stuffed, quite messily, but hey, they're stuffed, we are going to first dip them in this nice chicken fry batter, and it's seasoned with smoked paprika, parsley, and Tony's, our dear friend Tony.
Once again,
we love
back
you, Tony.
at it again with the
You
shesh.
just are amazing. So we've seasoned this and we mixed it up a little bit, and now we're gonna go with a dry, wet, dry method. So we're gonna do
We'll
that.
see you after that. It's the only method I know how.
Okay, so now we've got our oil ready. You can use either peanut oil or vegetable oil. Just get it to 350 degrees, or we have this nice Fry Daddy here.
Presto Fry Daddy, not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor, but
Not
could
yet.
be. So we're gonna drop this nasty one that Preston did.
That's
in
my,
here and
that's
see
my, I'm not
what
gonna name it.
happens.
I'm gonna get attached. But...
Woo! There we go.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
How long am I supposed to be keeping them in the fryer for, Shea?
Until they're golden brown.
But they're already golden.
No, they're not.
You have more rods and cones than me in your eyes. So
I do,
You're gonna have to
actually.
be the judge of this.
You are kind of colorblind, aren't you?
I can't see nothing. It's all just a bunch of grays and browns.
Are you okay?
No, I'm fine. No, I'm just fine. After all that hard work.
In the Fry Daddy?
In that Fry Daddy.
Fry Daddy.
We've got these bad boys right here.
Look at that. Crispy.
Look at that. Coat.
Golden brown.
Crunchy.
Now, if you want to do a sauce with this, you could do like a homemade ranch, or a store-bought ranch is fine.
You can also just eat them with water. I mean,
yeah, which
whatever
is
you
probably
want.
what we're gonna do because we don't have ranch. So
I'm gonna dip them in water.
let's try one.
I'm gonna try one. Yeah. Look at this big old
This
boy.
is, look at it. Okay, ready?
I'll go in.
Oh!
Eat them over a plate. They have that residual. They're really good. They have like a residual watering this to the peppers, but
Oh my god.
look at that. That's delicious.
It's really good though.
I suggest doing this by yourself in a dark room and listen to like The Cure.
Yeah.
Real Sad Day.
I'm just gonna eat this.
Jalapeno poppers, okay? Continue to enjoy your holidays. We're gonna enjoy ours. Peace out, Girl Scout. We're gonna see you next time.
Bye bye.
Mmm.